Miss California, hottest thing in West LA. House down by the water, sails her yacht across the bay. Drives her Maranello, Hollywood's her favorite scene. She's Miss California, hottest thing in West LA. House down by the water, sails her yacht across the bay. Drives her Maranello, Hollywood's her favorite scene. Loves to be surrounded with superstars that know her name. She's a rich girl from the top of the food chain. Love and material things, kinda lonely. Till I met her at the Grammys. 10 mil on a diamond ring. She invites me to spend a day on the jet skis. At first it didn't mean a thing that she told me I'm the one that she searched for. It was hard to believe. She's California, hottest thing in West LA. House down by the water, sails her yacht across the bay. Drives her Maranello, Hollywood's her favorite scene. Loves to be surrounded with superstars that know her name. Superstars that know her name. Superstars that know her name. In a couple of days, she had me a bracelet made from Harry Winston's place. Went horseback up to the mountaintop, showing me the land she's got. Well, it's alright, but something else is on your mind. Looking past all that shines, now the tears are running too.